Hello, beautiful you family, and welcome. For today, we are going to be doing my two simple eyeshadow tone. Just two eyeshadows. Hello, you family, and welcome to my channel. It's so good to see all of you today. So, if you are new here, I say, hello, Aquaba, and welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you are stopping by here to watch my channel create a gorgeous, flawless, beautiful look. Go ahead and get your makeup product. Get started. Okay? Let's go ahead. All right, beautiful you family. So I went ahead and did my eyebrows off camera. So now I'm going ahead to use and I'm going to apply a little bit of that. Leave it there like that. With my black just eyeliner. Making a line like that. I as well drawing a black line. This brush to go over it. So this is concealer to apply it in the everything is well, blended in. I'm using today is this. It says this is the palette. And this is how it looks. It's a brand new eyeshadow palette that I am trying it out for the first time, guys. So and the palette, we'll start off using this color here. It looks like it has some type of orange in it. So I'm going to place some right here. Find the same thing again to this other eye. I'm starting right there and I'm going after I'm done with that. I am going to be using blue color here, placing it right here. The blue color that I use, it has like is a darker blue to apply the same thing to this eye, and I am taking it out. All right guys, so I went ahead to apply some of my orange eyeshadow and I applied it right there. Okay, so I just place it right there like that. Alright guys, so I went ahead to use this of the black liner that I did, and I went like that, and again I started from where the black to go over it, just to give it a little bit outline and blend the color out good. So guys, this is how my eyeshadow looks. Do our foundation. Before we go ahead and do our foundation, I'm going to use my beautiful you family. So I'm going ahead to spray my blending brush, and again today I'm using my ebony. I did apply my primer on my face already, so I am going ahead to blend my foundation all in. Alright guys, so I went ahead to apply my foundation on, and I did use my one Flawless. Okay, my concealer, and I will be using my e.l.f. concealer. Alright, so this is my e.l.f. concealer. Just pour it in right there. Okay, and apply some. I like to place some on my nose like that. Alright guys, after I'm done with that, I like to for my foundation. So again, I'm using this, and what you're doing basically is pushing it. Same thing, going up like that. Alright guys, so I went ahead to blend in my concealer, And today we are going to be using this palette. It says Contour and Highlighting Cream Palette. Again, none of that. And this is the color. So I'm going to be using this darker color there. So let me open it up and let's go ahead and start. All right, so I went ahead to open it and this is how it looks. So all right, guys, so I'm going ahead to use my Juvies to bake my face. Okay, so I am placing some right here. I'm placing some right there. I went ahead to apply my contour, and as you can see, the contour was a little bit lighter than my complexion. I needed something darker, but let's see how we're gonna make it work. This is in the color Ebony. So I'm going to go ahead to finish contouring my nose, and I am starting right there. This for this. We are and again I'm still using some of the powder to go. What I notice is that with the cream you have to work faster once, and I'm going on top. Okay. All right, so this has been baking enough, so I'm going ahead and cleaning it up.
Oh, you family, can you imagine walking out looking like that?
So
Oh
far,
my goodness.
this is
I
how
don't want to
it
look like a
looks.
clown walking around.
All right, beauties. So I am going
Guys,
ahead and
again,
I'm
using
using my
my brush
Beauty
till I'm
Benefit
finished
pressed
contouring
powder
my face,
to
and
go
I'm going
over my
over my
contour.
forehead, and look at that face.
Once I'm done with that, I'm going to be using my setting powder. And I am using Maybelline Fit Loose Color Deep. It says
Okay,
35.
come
So
on, let's
I'm
go
using,
ahead and clean this face
also
out.
able to achieve this look. You know, you never stop trying. You have to keep trying until you really get good at this. And I believe in you guys that you can do it. So you can do it. Oh, a little bit. Maybelline mineral powder. And let me see if I can find the color says Fresh Plum. Oh, and I don't know, but
We are
I
moving
love it.
on
I
to the
love
lips, and
because
I am using my
look,
dark brown
look at what
pencil
it's
to
giving
line
me,
out my
guys. How
lips.
can you love not love this highlighter
I'm
so
now
bad?
applying
Because
my blush.
it
Look
it is
at
the
that
bow boy.
blush. I love
Yep.
that color. I'm now going to apply my
It
highlighter
is
too.
so far, to me, that is the best highlighter that complements with my skin tone. And on my chin. So for my lips today, I got this lip gloss set, and I will be trying one of it out. I'm not really a lipstick person. Two colors that I picked because it came, and I'll place. This looks like a hat. I'll clean it out. Alright guys, so this is my final look. Look at the eyeshadow. Guys, this is my final look. I just grabbed one of the wigs that I made and I just throw it on, and this is my final look. Thank you so much for watching.
I'm using
Please
some of
like,
my concealer
share,
to clean out
subscribe,
my
and
lips.
comment it out. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.